Now let us see the task number 38 to 41. Our universe. Fill in the blanks using the correct words from the brackets. First one, the sun is a big ball of fire. F-I-R-E. Fire. The sun is a big ball of fire. Second one, the sun gives us light and heat. H-E-A-T. Heat. The sun gives us light and heat. Third one, when the light, L-I-G-H-T, light is obstructed, shadows are formed. When the light is obstructed, shadows are formed. Fourth one, the plants prepare food with the help of sunlight. S-U-N, sun, L-I-G-H-T, light. The plants prepare food with the help of sunlight. Fifth one, the moon, T-H-E, the M-O-O-N, moon changes its shape every day. The moon changes its shape every day. Sixth one, the moon gets its light from the sun. T-H-E, the S-U-N, sun. The moon gets its light from the sun. Seventh one, when the moon is full and round, it is called full moon. F-U-L-L, full, M-O-O-N, moon. When the moon is full and round, it is called full moon. Eighth one, the stars shine, S-H-I-N-E, shine at night. The stars shine at night. Ninth one, the stars are smaller, S-M-A-L-L-E-R, smaller than the sun and the earth. The stars are smaller than the sun and the earth. Next, true or false. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. First one, we get salt from sea water. True. Is on your leg. False. Hand is on your leg. False. Millipede is an insect. True. Atlas is a book of maps. True. Cobbler makes furniture. False. Shoes are made of leather. True. Cherries is a red flower. False. March comes after February. True. Fish breathes with the help of fins. Fish breathes with the help of fins. False. Say sorry when you do something wrong. True. Quilt is lighter than bones. True. All Sundays are holidays. True. See the next section, children. Skip counting. Skip counting. Write the missing numbers. First one, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Skip counting by twos. Skip counting by twos. Next, 13, 16. 13 after 14, 15, 16. So, to add 3 numbers and write it. This is skip counting by threes. 13, 13 plus 3, 16, 16 plus 3, 19, 19 plus 3, 22, 22 plus 3, 25, 25 plus 3, 28. Okay children, next 14, next number 18. You say after 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 4 numbers you add and write it. This is skip counting by fours. 14, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 4, 26, 26 plus 4, 30, 30 plus 4, 34. Is it clear children? Next 15, 20, 15 after 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you add 5 numbers plus 5. This is skip counting by fives. 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 5, 30, 30 plus 5, 35, 35 plus 5, 40. Is it clear? See the fifth sum, fifth one, 16, next number 22. You say after 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. You add plus 6, 6. 6 numbers you add it children. Skip counting. This is skip counting by 6. 16 plus 6, 22. 22 plus 6, 28. 28 plus 6, 34. 34 plus 6, 40. 40 plus 6, 46. See the sixth one children. First number 17, next number 19. You say after 17, 17 after 18, 19. You add 2 numbers. This is skip counting by 2. Skip counting by 2s. 17 plus 2, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 23 plus 2, 25. 25 plus 2, 27. Is it clear? Next 8, first number 8. Next number 16. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You add 8 numbers. This is keep counting by 8s. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 8, 32. 32 plus 8, 40. 40 plus 8, 48. Is it clear? See the next one. 9. First number is 9. Next number is 18. You say after 9 up to 18. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You add 9 numbers. This is skip counting by 9s. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. 27 plus 9, 36. 36 plus 9, 45. 45 plus 9, 54. See, clear children? See the next one. First number 10, next number 20. You add 10 numbers. This is skip counting by tens. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 10, 60. See the next one. 11, 22. 11 numbers you add it. This is skip counting by 11s. 11 plus 11, 22. 22 plus 11, 33. 33 plus 11, 44. 44 plus 11, 55. 55 plus 11, 66. Sit clear children. See the next lesson. Word building. Make a new word by changing the First letter. First one, can. See the picture and you write the answer. First one, can. C-A-N, can. Second one, P-A-N, pan. Third one, V-A-N, van. Fourth one, F-A-N, fan. Okay, children. See the next pictures. This is cat. C-A-T, cat. Second one, R-A-T, rat. Third one, B-A-T, bat. Fourth one, M-A-T, mat. See the next pictures. First one, H-E-N, hen. Second one, D-E-N, den. Third one, P-E-N, pen. Fourth one, M-E-N, men. Is it clear, children? Okay, children, we will meet the next class. Thank you.